Here are 5 hip mobility exercises for seniors that you can do at home. I'm back with my 75-year-old grandma Lynn, and we're going to show you how we can get those hips moving in a relatively easy way.
Okay.
So we're going to start with number 1, which is our seated marches. So all we're going to do is we're going to sit nice and relaxed. Yeah, that's the perfect word. Relax, and we're going to bring our feet up one at a time, just as high as we can. If we do feel any pain, go a little bit lower.
Yeah.
Go just a little bit lower. It's all about going as high as you're able to without causing too much issue.
Okay.
So bringing our legs up, you can do about 5 to 10 of those on each leg.
10.
And then take a breather, and then do a few more and a few more and a few more.
Okay.
Coming in at number 2, we're going to go for our circles now. So all we're going to try and do, now this one might be a little bit tougher, so don't worry if you struggle. We're just going to take one of our legs, and we're going to make little circles from the hip rather than the knee. So we're trying to focus on moving from the hip as opposed to the knee. So try and keep your knee as still as possible.
The knee still.
Yeah, and your hip's going to do the work. And then swap legs when you can.
Okay.
Doing as little or as many circles as possible. Again, moving from the hip. There you go. Yeah, try and think about it like you want your bum to move as well.
Oh, okay.
Our third exercise today is going to be our knee to chest. Now this might be a bit tougher for some of us at home, but don't fear, there are different ways around this. We're going to start by interlocking our fingers.
Right, I've got that.
You've got that, we're there on that. We're going to put our hand over our knee.
Oh, hang on a minute.
Oh, brilliant, you've already started. Fantastic, there we go. So I've not even had to demonstrate. Grandma, you've done it perfectly. So we're just going to try and bring our knee up to our chest. Lovely. And if you want to extend on that a little bit, because we're working on mobility, side to side. Ooh.
Shake it about.
Well, not shake it, but don't shake it. You might hurt something, just little movements.
Okay.
Remember, we're moving from the hip, so we're less about the knee and more about the hip. And relax. So if it is a little bit tough, take your hands, bring your body forward,
Got it.
go over your knee. Don't bring it up yet, there you go.
Okay.
Lovely, and then just a little one. Just a little one. Lovely, good. Just little movements, whether it's up, down, left to right. Just encouraging a tiny bit of stimulation within our hip joint there. For our 4th hip mobility exercise here, we're going to do something called the butterfly stretch.
What's that one?
What do you think the butterfly stretch is?
Well, it's something like a butterfly.
Close. We're actually going to bring the soles of our feet together.
Yeah.
Just as flat as you can. Now, you might not be able to bring them flat together because that could be quite tough.
Can't do.
Absolutely fine. So bring it as close as you can, just opening up our hips. That's brilliant.
Okay.
And then all we're going to do is we're just going to bring our hips close and then together. Lovely.
Too bad.
Not too bad. Just little ones. Yeah, don't go too far because we don't want to hurt ourselves. We're just going to do little ones. And you can do a few of those just wherever you feel comfortable. For our 5th and final hip mobility exercise now, we're actually going to stand up. So we're going to stand and we'll face each other on this one. A bit like ballet dancers.
Oh, nice one.
Okay, have you ever ballet danced? So I'll grab your hand, but all we're gonna do is we're gonna support ourselves onto the chair.
All right.
Yeah, and you're just gonna go, ow, ooh, just little ones. There, beautiful. And relax. All we're aiming for is extending our hip a little bit, but we're gonna use a bit of support just to do that. Just a couple. And don't go too high. Remember, oat's better than no.
One.
And relax. Lovely. Folks, if you enjoyed that video, please follow, subscribe. Grandma, how did you think you got on?
I thought I did all right considering I haven't done so many.
Thank you very much, folks. Next week, we're going to put out another video with a load more mobility work. So please tune into that and we'll see you next week. Oh, Thanks, Grandma.
That's got going.
Yeah, that will go in.